Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Do you guys want to see how I make over my small toilet? Please stick with me for the next 6 minutes and I will show you step-by-step procedure as how I achieve the look. Guys, welcome to my channel, Ava's Luxury for Less, with me, Avanita. So this is what my toilet looks like. I have a small toilet, as I mentioned before. I have a small flat, but my toilet is in separate from my bathroom. I try to keep it as neat as possible. I did color it blue, or I did paint it blue, but sometimes over during the winter, the condensation, and then, you know, anybody who has condensation knows exactly what I'm talking about. But this is what it looks like. So here, all these boards that I'm using, or boards that I got off the side of the street, or not really the side of the street, is from a flat that they're you know, renovating, and all these strips of board are just there, and I just went there and just asked them if I could get it. So I just went to Ikea and I got these 2 brackets, measure it out, because I want to cover this canister which is there. It's quite old and they just don't want to change it. I don't really like it, so I'm going to cover it, and in the process I'm going to make shelves as well. And as you guys see, these are in good quality boards that I've found, so I'm just measuring it out and then just, you know, cut it to size and then just stack it. And then this is what it looks like after I've done all of that. And I just use my paint. As I said previously, paint I have a lot at home. I tend to buy paint and then just keep them, because you never know when you need to paint something, and with kids at home you always have to be painting out the pencil marks and stuff like that. So yeah, and then this is what it looks like after I've given it 3 coats, because obviously I want to get rid of the blue. The top part of the board, I don't want to paint it, so that's why I've left it open. And here I am going to cover it. You will see what I'm talking about, guys. It turned out so awesome. You do want to watch till the end to see the result. So I got these mirrors from Ikea. They're 4 for £7. They're $6.95. But when you get to the till, it's £7. But here I just measure out where I want the mirror to sit, and then I just put these double-sided tape onto the 4 corners, because I want it to stay there and I don't want it to fall off. So they have little strips on the back, so just peel it off and then just attach it to the wall. Just give a little force so it stays on, not too hard because you don't want to break the glass. If you have uneven surface like mine, just hold it down for like a few seconds until when you let it go, it doesn't just flip back up. And then here I went to the store in Edmonton Green, it's called One Below, and then these self-adhesive tiles, I want to give the bathroom a different look, so I actually got 14, and they're £1 a pack, and they have 4 of those singles in them. Yeah, so 4 of those singles, yeah. And I end up getting, I said 14. Yeah, I got 14. Yeah, I got 14. It was so awesome. But yeah, after I've done everything and I just went a little decor and then, you know, jazz it up a little bit, and I'm in love. I'm so in love. Guys, check the link down below to see the link for my radiator cover that I've made before, and also other videos. And then, as I said to you, I just add a few stuff, you know, like decor. I had the floating shelf, and then also I had this kiss and hug frame thing. And then, guys, look at this. This was what the whole thing looked like, and I'm really happy and I'm really proud of the turnout. I mean, the color, I really like it. At first when I was doing it, I'm thinking, oh my god, I don't like it. But after I finished it, I'm in love with it. I'm so much in love with it. I went to Ikea and I got this plant, £6, and I just dropped it in there, and all the other stuff that I actually had at home already. So basically the only thing I buy was the mirror, the tile, and like the flowers from Ikea. But everything else I had at home. And as you can see, everything looks nice and neat. So nice. This little pink vase I got from Ikea about 3-4 weeks ago when I went to Ikea. I picked it up for £2. And then this lotion, I got it in Home Bargain. Yeah, it was $1.99. And then the soap pump, I got it from B&M. To be honest, I'm not really sure how much it is. Maybe about £3. I'm not sure. I'll have a look and then I'll leave a link in the description box below. But guys, this is what the end result looks like, and I'm so much in love with it, guys. Thank you so much for checking out my video with me today. It is a short one because obviously I have a small toilet. And then inside, these are all my little storage area. I can add stuff here, which I didn't have that before. And as I said to you before, guys, thank you so much for checking out my video. I do have other DIY videos. I'll leave a link in the description box below, or you can also play my playlist. It is called DIY and Decor. Please don't forget to like, comment, share with your family and friends, and subscribe if you haven't done so already, guys. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. And also, please continue to look after yourself, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.